Linda's making the cat high-tech already.
Uh-oh, don't go to the App Store.
Now the cat needs an iPad. Not me.
Oh my goodness, this is gonna become a spoiled cat.
Yep.
Hey!
It's gonna be a one expensive cat who needs a $500 iPad to play.
Good job! You're so good.
Somebody's happy.
You're so good. You did it! You caught her! Mm.
Ever seen a cat playing iPad?
Mm.
Katniss,
Here. Hey, Daddy.
say hello.
Hey.
It's a cutie. Cutie, cutie. Look at her. Hey, hey.
Are you being cute?
She's a cutie.
Are you being cute? Mm. Mm.
I'm gonna stop.
You silly.
Wait, how do I stop now?
Well, you just pressed the button.